Hey, welcome to We Connect. In this video, I'll show you how to create a watch list, an intent agent that monitors LinkedIn activity in real time and automatically adds matching contacts to a list for you. There are two ways to start. You can click the plus button on any page and select Create a Watch List from the dropdown, or go to AI Assist, then AI Agents, and click Add Watch List. Both routes open the same Create Watch List modal. The modal opens on step 1. Choose signals. Start by giving your agent a name. Make it descriptive so you can identify it later. Something like Post Engagers, SaaS Prospects. Next, select a signal type. There are 4 to choose from, and each one monitors a different kind of LinkedIn activity. The configuration fields update based on your selection. Let's walk through all 4. Post engagement finds people who recently reacted to, commented on, or reposted specific LinkedIn posts you choose. Paste a LinkedIn post URL into the field. Use the track toggles to choose which engagement types to capture. Reactions, comments, reposts, or any combination, and click Add. You can monitor up to 3 post URLs per agent. Profile engagement spots people engaging with posts published by LinkedIn profiles you specify. This is useful for tracking engagement with thought leaders or influencers relevant to your niche. Paste a LinkedIn profile URL, select a post time frame to set how far back to look. Choose which engagement types to track and click Add. You can monitor up to 3 profiles, then set your engagement thresholds, minimum reactions and minimum comments. Only posts that meet both thresholds will be monitored. This signal monitors post engagers only. It does not capture profile visitors. Your profile and company captures people engaging with or visiting your own LinkedIn profile and your company page. Both are toggled off by default. Switch on whichever you want to use, or both. For your personal profile, it's pre-filled with your connected LinkedIn account. Select the post time frame, choose engagement types to track, and set your thresholds. You can also check Track Personal Profile Visitors to capture people who visit your profile directly. For your company page, select which connected company page to monitor from the dropdown. Same options. Post time frame, engagement types, thresholds. If you want to track company page visitors, check that box. Note that tracking company page visitors requires a premium company page on your LinkedIn account. Competitor page monitoring tracks people engaging with posts on competitor company pages. Anyone who reacts to, comments on, or reposts competitor content gets added to your watch list. Paste a competitor's LinkedIn company page URL, select a post time frame, choose engagement types, and click Add. You can monitor up to 3 competitor pages. Set your engagement thresholds the same way. Once your signal is configured, click Next to move to step 2. Under Add Contacts to, you have 2 options: create a new intent list, give it a name, and set a maximum contacts limit. The agent stops monitoring automatically once that number is reached, with a hard cap of 1,000 contacts per watch list, or add to an existing list if you already have one. Under How should the agent run, choose Continuously for ongoing monitoring. The agent keeps running and adding contacts until stopped or expired, or choose Run Once for a single pass. Then set your run duration. Anything from 1 day to 12 months, a custom date, or indefinitely. Click Activate Agent, and it starts running immediately. A confirmation screen shows your agent's status, active signal, the list it's saving to, and when it runs until. From here, you can view your watch list to see contacts as they come in, manage the agent's settings, create another watch list, or go back to the dashboard. To manage your agents, go to AI Assist, then AI Agents. Each agent card shows the agent name, status, active, paused, or completed, the signal type, saved list, leads collected, end date, and last synced time. From each card, you can view details, pause, or resume the agent, edit the signal configuration, list, or schedule, or delete the agent entirely. If you delete an agent, contacts already in the list are kept. Contacts detected by your agent appear under My Folder, then Saved List. Watchlist lists show the type Watch List and the status Watching while the agent is active. Click any list to see the contacts collected so far. From here, you can use these contacts as an audience source in a lead engine campaign and start your outreach. That's your watch list, configured and running. The intent agent monitors LinkedIn activity in the background and feeds matching contacts into your list automatically. If you have any questions, hit the chat button in the app and our team will help you out. Happy connecting!